When was the last time you spent more than 2 minutes reading the text on a landing page? Well, the reality is nobody reads the text on these landing pages quite like they used to. They're impersonal and it's really difficult to establish a connection with the end user. Video, and in particular interactive video on the other hand, does a much better job at establishing this connection. I'm going to share with you today how to create a video funnel instead, so you can turn your visitors into customers. What is a video funnel? So think of a traditional web funnel. You might start with a landing page, then a sales page, followed up by your checkout page, and then lastly your thank you page. We're going to take this concept and turn it into video. To start, you'll first of all create an intro video. When you record this video, make sure you include who you are, how you can help, and what your service does. And here comes the interactive part. Make sure you ask your audience, the viewers, what they would like to learn more about. You can do this by adding multiple choice options. Based on the options you've given your viewers in the previous step, you'll want to create a follow-up video for each of those. This video is your offer video. In the video, you're going to clearly explain what your offer is, be it a product or service, and how that relates to whatever they're most interested in. After that, you can give them the option to move to the conversion event video. The conversion event will vary depending on whatever your product is or service or what you're doing. It could be collecting contact details, scheduling a call, getting someone straight on a live call if that's part of your sales process, or even collecting payment. And the great thing is, because it's interactive video, all of this can happen from inside the video. Once the conversion event has been processed, be that collecting a payment, scheduling a call, or whatever it is for you, you can then follow up with a thank you video. In this video, you're going to say thank you to your new customers and lay out the next steps so they know what to expect from you. Let's take a look at some video funnels in action. Realtor Ben Barber has been using video funnels in his sales process and has saved over 40 hours a week by putting this process on auto and establishing a much deeper connection with his prospects.
Probably the biggest benefit of working with VideoAsk is it gave us our time back. I mean, right away we saw a savings of 30 to 40 hours a week in our own personal time that we had spent trying to chase down and qualify leads and convert them into clients. That was our biggest savings. And now what we're finding is that the clients that we are working with are more likely to work with us because after they've gone through all the video steps, they know us, they like us, they trust us, and we built that rapport and built that relationship with them faster than we ever would have if we would have just been sending out emails or working with them on the phone. I mean, we get the same advantage of working with someone in person if I were sitting right across the desk from them as I do through VideoAsk. So by automating our processes, we have not only saved ourselves a ton of time, we have increased our online lead conversion to 28%, which is, I don't know, about 30 times better than what people are getting with online traffic leads right now. And it's basically given us this magic pill of how to automate and improve every aspect of our business to make life easier, but also create a better experience for our clients so that they're more likely to work with us, have a good experience with us, and then become repeat and referral clients down the road.
A video funnel is a great way to take your visitors step by step through your sales process using pre-recorded video. It's scalable and way more personal than text-heavy landing pages. Do you have any questions or can you think of any challenges? Let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.